Hello, welcome to the hack job of a video that we are producing for our new Keva Plank game. Basically, my class and I are looking for just 2 to 3 classes to test out a new game that we're making using Keva Planks. And if you are not thrown or pushed off by this hack job of a video, you are just the sort of teacher in class that we're looking for to test this out. Basically, if you need access to Keva Planks and you need access to a 3D printer, because we're going to send you the files to print off these 2 die. Here's basically what it is. You're going to get a set of directions that has the kids play a game. It's almost like a reverse Jenga. So instead of taking something down, they are putting something up from scratch. And it's very simple at first, but the kids, depending on how they want to do it, there's a lot of different strategies that kind of evolve throughout the game. Basically, it works like this. The group that is playing rolls the small die. And let's just say that says 3. They would put down 3 Keva Planks to start the game. And then they would use the bigger die, and we would send you the file so that you can print off both of these die. And one of the options when they roll is F. F is very easy. It is flat. Another option is V. V is vertical. Another option is S. S is sideways. And another option is X, and X you can do anything that you would like to. Now the kids end up playing a couple different ways. One way is they kind of build together. So they figure out where things can be placed to go higher and higher and higher, and they kind of work as a team. The other way they'll play is elimination, and so that they'll purposely kind of go out of their way to place things on the platform to make it harder and harder as they go up to try to eliminate someone. And the directions are pretty basic, and essentially all we're doing is looking for some feedback. If there's something that's not clear on the directions, if you think the game is silly, if you think the game is super, is there anything that we should add, anything that we can change? It is a game that lots of different ability kids get to play. Sometimes if kids struggle a little bit, we start them off with bigger platforms. For kids that are more advanced builders, we just sometimes say, all right, start with 1. Essentially what happens is as they are building, as soon as 1 plank gets knocked off and hits the table, game is over. So if you're interested in trying this game out, just respond to this tweet. You can DM me your information, and we will. I will share the file for the directions and the files for the 3D printer. Again, I'm not looking to immediately share this with a lot of classes, so if there's just 2 or 3 classes, that's probably it. We are still in the experimental phase and looking for some feedback. Once we kind of get out some of the kinks, we'll ship it off for free. And if you don't happen to have a 3D printer, what we plan on doing is actually printing these off at our school, sticking them in an envelope, and sending them off to schools that only have the Keva Planks but no 3D printer. So if you're interested, let me know by responding to, I guess you can also leave a comment in the video, but responding to the tweet would be the preferred way. Thank you very much.